the village of Meursault is the third village of the three famous villages of the Côte de Beaune. So we start with Puligny, Chassagne, and now Meursault. Meursault is probably the larger appellation because it's 316 hectares for the village appellation, and it's 132 hectares for the first cru. You have 17 first cru. On Meursault, it's 95% of production is for white wines. So in Meursault, the village, you have one part on the south part, which is near Puligny-Montrachet, and the north part is much more near the Volnay side. Of course, the first cru in Meursault are all in the south part, going near Puligny-Montrachet, and that's where we can find the three majors first cru called Perrières, Genévrières, and Charmes. So the first Meursault Premier Cru Charmes is the larger first cru because it's the size of this plot is 31 hectares. For a first cru in Burgundy, it's quite huge. And Charmes comes from the name of the tree, the tree called Charmes. Charmes plot is so wide that we all the time talking about the lower part, the middle part, and the upper part of Charmes. And we are very lucky because we have 5 different plots in Meursault Premier Cru Charmes, which are located in the three part of Charmes, and that's for us the best way to make a very well balanced wine in Charmes.
Neighbor of Meursault Charmes, Meursault Perrières. D'accord? Donc Meursault Charmes that you have in your glass, this is a combination with 7 plots from on the same time the low part, the medium part, and the high part. That's the difficulties because a Meursault Charmes has to show on the same time the richness character for Meursault, because the fact is Meursault, the soil in Meursault is more deep, is more important. You can have in Meursault very nice underground cellar. The soil of Meursault is deep, but the geology is the same. The fact is in Puligny, if the soil is 1 meter, in Meursault it's 3 meters. Donc the roots coming down to capture the maximum of element and nutrition.
The second first cru is called Genévrières, and the Genévrières comes from the name juniper bushes, and it's one of the major rival of with Charmes and Perrières. Genévrières, you have much more dry stone, minerality, soil with limestone, less clay, and it's even if it's a big plot, it's a very famous and very elegant plot, because most of the time in Meursault you have more fatness, richness, but in Genévrières, as this part of the vineyard is located in the slope, it's a little bit cooler, and you have more elegance in Genévrières. And the size of this plot is 16 hectares. Les Port-Ruzeau it's a vineyard, also first cru. It's a little bit less famous than Genévrières on Charmes, because this wine is facing a little bit more northeast in the vineyard. It's a little bit more cooler. The wine is less floral. You have less flavors on the youngness, and it's more tight. But this wine needs more time to reveal all its complexity, and also we are very lucky because we have 2 plots in the Port-Ruzeau, one in the Port-Ruzeau du dessous and one in the Port-Ruzeau du dessus, so the upper part and the lower part.